Hi and welcome back. It's just a quick one to add to this video. This one I had recorded around about 6 months ago in October, once I received the delivery. I'm hoping you can see the difference between then and now, but you can let me know down in the comments. Hi and welcome back to the Lothian Valet channel. My name is David. In this video we've got a delivery from Unilite that we've got lights and tripods and that for through the Black Friday. We'll just crack on and we'll get open it up and see what we've got. Okay, so we'll just get open up. See. Just watch till I cut my legs on trousers. So here we've already got this one. This is the SLR1300. It's actually quite a brilliant light. Let's just take it out. It's a charger in the plug. Take out the bag. So we've already got this one from the last delivery, which I still got to go up. Here, I'll just pull that around. It's a charging point. The first one, second, and that's the high beam. Once you've got it on, there's three wee lights that just gives you the. Just put that on the side. The length of what you've got left in the battery. Now, the reason why I've actually ordered these is just when the night's coming in, I can keep on cracking on, and if I'm running behind, I've not got the issue of worrying about it. So, there we go. It's a tripod. So you can go up, but I need to take all this off first, obviously.
Somewhere in the US, Canada and the Netherlands, but others were here in Scotland. Police in Canada led the investigation and found 14 schools and one bank were targeted over 3 days in February. In total, there were nearly 100 similar.
That's what I'll do. I'll get it set up. And I'll come right back to you. Well, there you go. You've seen that part of the video, and I hope you have seen the difference with in my talking, able to talk to the camera, because it's quite hard for myself. But the next part I'm going to show you is the lights working outside in my back garden, so you can see the brightness of the two lights showing up and how bright they are. That's the lowest setting. Medium setting. The high setting. Can't go wrong with that. You can even turn it around so it covers the whole garden. So that's facing them, and I'm at the bottom of the garden. As you can see, my van's at the top, and that's at both of them are only on 300 lumen. There you go. I've just showed you using the lights in the back garden. I have used these over the winter, from starting early from about 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning and finishing about 6:30 in the evening. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to, I'll put some pictures up at the end here. You can see what I mean with using the lights at night with a couple of the jobs that I've been on. I hope you've liked this short video. If you have, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and please remember to subscribe.